Welcome to East Ocean View, better known as East Beach, Norfolk's waterfront hidden gem, surrounded by coastal calm and local charm. From Cova Brewing and Riffle Farms Market to the nearby marinas and Beach Pass, this neighborhood blends the best of Norfolk living, laid back, walkable, and full of life. East Beach has grown fast in recent years. New restaurants, revitalized spaces, and a strong sense of community make it one of the most vibrant places to live by the bay. If you love the idea of being close to the water but still connected to everything Norfolk has to offer, East Beach might just be your perfect spot.